long-term relationship maintenance to get ex back. Rebuilding a relationship with an ex is a challenging but achievable goal. It requires effort, self-reflection, and a willingness to grow. If you're looking to rekindle a past romance, maintaining a long-term approach is essential. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are key steps to help you navigate this delicate process and create a foundation for lasting love. 1. Self-reflection and growth. Before reaching out to your ex, take time to reflect on the reasons behind the breakup. Understand the mistakes made and work on improving yourself. Personal growth helps build a stronger, healthier version of yourself, making you a better partner in the future. 2. Rebuilding trust. Trust is the core of any relationship. If it was broken, consistency in your actions is essential. Show your ex that you are dependable, honest, and committed to making changes. Rebuilding trust takes time, so be patient. 3. Effective communication. Start by communicating with empathy. Avoid bringing up old arguments or pressuring your ex for answers. Focus on understanding each other's feelings and sharing your own in a calm, respectful manner. 4. Sincere apology. Acknowledge your mistakes and take full responsibility for them. A sincere apology shows maturity and understanding, which can help mend emotional wounds and show your ex that you're ready for change. 5. Create new memories. To move forward, create new positive experiences together. Try new activities or revisit shared hobbies. Creating fresh memories can help shift the focus away from the past and build new connections. 6. Respect boundaries. Understand that your ex may need space and time. Don't rush the process or pressure them. Respect their boundaries and allow the relationship to develop at a natural pace. 7. Shared future goals. Discuss your future together. Understand each other's life goals and values. If you share similar aspirations, it will be easier to build a future as a couple. 8. Emotional support. Offer emotional support and validation. Show your ex that you care about their feelings and well-being. Being there for each other strengthens the emotional bond. 9. Prepare for setbacks. Be ready for challenges along the way. Relationships take time to heal, and setbacks are natural. Stay focused on the bigger picture and remain committed to making progress. 10. Let go of the past. Forgive each other for past mistakes and let go of any resentment. Holding on to past hurt will prevent the relationship from moving forward. By taking these steps, you can rebuild a relationship with your ex and lay the groundwork for a healthy, lasting partnership. Patience, understanding, and a commitment to growth are the keys to success. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.